Hey guys, how are you all today? To those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Alexa. So as you have seen on my title, this is going to be another unboxing video, and I feel like this channel is going to be just an unboxing channel. But I promise it won't. So in my previous video, I did mention that a lot of the shops are opened in Dublin already. So we did go to, me and my boyfriend again went to Kildare Village for the first time in the longest time ever. So we went there to just, look around, and I did see this bag right here. And I said to myself that I'm not gonna get it because I am saving up for something better, a better bag for the future. I do really want to get that bag, so I don't want to touch my money for something else. And my boyfriend was right there beside me, and he was like, do you want to get it? Because I'm willing to pay for it if you really want to. So I'm like, sure, why not, he does this to me all the time, which is, I'm very thankful. He always calls me, so I love you so much for that, boyfriend. And yeah, so I have it here with me, guys. I am excited for this, to unbox it with you, and let's get started. So this is what the shopping bag looks like. So it's a beautiful Tory Burch shopping bag. So this is my first Tory Burch bag ever, and I'm really excited for this. So before I proceed to, opening the bag, let me just tell you a short story, guys, because when I was there in Tory Burch store, I asked my SA if they have an available dust bag, which I know normally they don't because it is an outlet. They don't normally give a dust bag, but the lady said they might have one, so she will check it for me. And she did come back with a dust bag, so I'm very thankful for that. She's very good. And here is what it looks like, guys. So she actually came back with 2 different dust bags for me, and for that, again, she's just very good. I forgot to ask her name, but shout out to you. You're such a good sales assistant. So here is what the bag looks like. It's a drawstring dust bag, and I picked this color because it's perfect for summer, and it comes with this little thing here, which has the Tory Burch logo and the double T. So that's just pretty. And here comes the beauty. I picked this bag right here. Look how beautiful she is. I got this in brilliant red color, and this one is called the Emerson envelope adjustable shoulder bag. And this retails 405 euros originally, and I will be linking how much my boyfriend paid for this bag. So it took a while for me to pick this color because they have it in a few different colors in the store, and I picked this one because I don't have a red designer bag, and I'm just really excited for this. And again, it's perfect for summer. It's beautiful. I love it. guys, can we just take a moment and appreciate how beautiful this bag is? I mean, seriously, I feel like my boyfriend paid 1,000 euros for this bag. I'm not joking. It's just too beautiful. So this bag is or has a gold hardware, as you can see, and on the other side, and it has the Tory Burch logo on it. And let me just quickly take that thing off. There we go. And let me show you the inside. Oh, this bag is actually, I think, made of Saffiano leather, if I'm not mistaken. And I'll double check that for you guys. So the inside, and this one is a flap closure. And there's another thing there. Let me just take that off. So here's the inside. I'll put that on my shoulder. So there's two different compartments, which is quite huge. I can easily put my hands in it. And then there's a wall zipped pocket, which is also quite deep. And let's test the zipper. Okay, that's not bad. And then there's another pocket here, and yeah, that's also deep. So this is very good, you guys. It's very spacious, and it also has a back pocket. So this bag is just really good. I love it so much. So let me just quickly do a mud shot for you guys, and I will be right back. So there are two different ways on how you could style this bag, and one is in a crossbody bag, just like this. So for your reference, guys, I'm 4'11", and this is how it looks like on me. And you could either do it like this, or you could actually put or take this thing out, just like so. And if you fancy it like this, that's fine. And you could also use it as a shoulder bag, just like this. So that is it for this unboxing video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help you guys. And as usual, if you have any suggestions on what I should do next in my next video, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. And again, that would be really helpful, and that would be great. And again, thanks so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.